Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a photography portfolio website using Wix. Wix is one of the best website builders around. All you'll need is to go onto wix.com. From there, you can create an account for completely free by using your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once you have created your account, I want you to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you're going to select Create on Wix Editor. Once you have selected Create on Wix Editor, you'll be redirected to this page. And you can see you could also set it up with AI, but I do recommend that you tap on Set Up Without AI, as this will give you more control on how to customize your website. Once on the search bar, you can type in photography portfolio right here. Then you will tap on Next. After you have tapped on Next, you can now enter the name of your website. So I will call this Test Port. Then tap on Next. After you have done that, you can see the different plugins that you can add to your website. Since this is a portfolio website, we'll be adding the portfolio plugin, and you can also add the Instagram feed plugin if you want. And by scrolling down, you can see the different features that you can add to your website. So for example, if you would also like to add a blog, you could do that. And if you would like to, for example, sell online courses or so on, you can tap on online programs. And if it is a case that you would like to sell videos in the future, you could select videos also. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Next at the bottom of the page. And from here, you're going to select Begin with a Template. After selecting Begin with a Template, you'll be redirected to this page. And this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Wix Website Builder compared to other website builders around, as it provides you with numerous themes that makes it easy for even a complete beginner to create a stunning looking website. So you can scroll down until you see a website theme of your liking. But let's say, for example, I wanted to use this one. All I would need to do is tap on Edit. After you have selected Edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI composes your website in the background. Once on this page, you could tap on the box right here and provide the AI with some information, and it would write out some articles that can be added to your website. Or I recommend that you tap on the X at the top to close it. Once you have closed it, you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And at the moment, this is how our website looks right here. So you can see it right here. The first thing we'll be doing, we can edit the header section. To edit the header section, you're going to tap on Quick Edit. After selecting Quick Edit, from here, if you would like to change the initials, so you can do that right there. I could change the initials real quick. After doing that, you can tap on the X, or if you would like to edit this section also, you can tap right there. And for example, if you wanted to change the name, you could tap on the title and you could change the name right there. After doing that, if you would like to also change the background image, you can also change the background image quite easily. To edit any section, all you have to do is simply hover over the section that you would like to change, and you can tap on Change Column Background, and you'll be able to change the background. It is quite easy to edit. And also, if you would like to add something, let's say for example, you would like to add another text box to this section, all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on Add Elements. Once you have selected Add Elements, you could hover over text. Then from there, you can select the text style that you would like to add. So let's say for example, adding heading 3, you could tap right there. Then you can drag the text box to wherever you would like to place it. And this is how you'll be able to add any element or text box to any section on your Wix website. So let's say, for example, you would like to add that text box right there. You can see it. Then you could tap on edit text, and from there you can edit the text. You can also choose if you would like the AI to create a text for you, so you can write a prompt and it will assist you with whatever you would like to write right here. So you can type out whatever you want right there. And if it is a case that you would like to add a video or photo, you can simply tap on add elements also. And then from there you can see you can add images, you can add videos. If it is a case that you would like to add a pop-up or so on, you could hover over contact forms, and from there you can see the different pop-ups and so on that you can also add. There are numerous features that you can find right here. To add a pop-up, we'd hover over interactive. Then the pop-up is called Lightboxes when it comes onto the Wix platform. So you can see the different pop-ups right here that you can also add. So you could add these pop-ups if you would like to collect your viewers' email address or so on, as you can see right here. You could simply select the style that you would like to use. And as I was saying earlier, if it was a case that you would like to add a video, you could hover over video and music. After hovering over video and music, you can see the different style right here, the different video players, and you can simply add it wherever you want on your page. Another thing that you can also do to view all the pages on your website, you could tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then you are going to select portfolio and you will see your portfolio page. So you can see our portfolio page right here. Now to edit your portfolio and add your own images, you are going to hover over the portfolio section, tap on manage projects. After selecting manage projects, a new page is going to open up. On this new page, I'll be showing you how to add your projects. So you can see the dashboard option on the left hand corner, as you can see right here. So you can see projects, collections, integrations. So these are the sample projects. Are quite easy. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the box right here. Once you have tapped on the box, you'll select all of the sample projects. So let me do that real quick. So I'll close this pop-up box. So let me close it, as we're not adding a new project at the moment. I'll be showing you how to remove the sample projects first. So I'm going to close this. So you're going to tap on the box right here. After you have tapped on the box, you can choose to delete the sample projects or you can choose to hide them. Once you have done that, you can add your first project. To add it, all you'll need to do is tap on new project in the top right hand corner. Then you could add your project name, then tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you can add a quick description, then tap on next once more. And from here, you could add the photo type, whether it is a portrait or illustration. You can also add the date and location if you want. Then tap on next. And from here, you will be able to upload your photo. So you could tap on upload media from computer and you'll be able to upload your photo to start creating your portfolio. Once you have created your portfolio, you can tap on manage collections. And from here, you will be able to organize your portfolio or your images to different collections. So you can simply tap on the plus right here and you can create new collections as you continue adding more photos. And another thing that you can also do by going over to the left hand menu option, we could scroll down, and if it is a case in the future that you would like to, for example, start selling and you would like to start collecting some form of payment, you could simply tap on payments right here. Once you have tapped on payments, you'll be redirected to the payment method page and you could tap on manage payment method. So by tapping right here, you'll be able to connect PayPal and other payment options depending on the country you're located in. Another thing that you could also do, let's say for example, you would like to start accepting booking. A way how to add booking to your Wix website is by simply going over to the left hand menu option once more, and we are going to tap at the top where you see portfolio on my page. After selecting portfolio, you would tap on manage pages. Once you have selected manage pages, you're going to tap on site menu. Then you're going to tap on add page. After selecting add page, from the left hand menu option, you can now see the option booking. So you'll tap on bookings. Once you have tapped on bookings, you can tap on add Wix bookings. So let's do that real quick. If we were to tap on add Wix bookings, Wix booking will now be added to our website, and from here customers will now be able to book us to come and take photos or so on for different events. So with this, you'll be able to set up your price, and in turn, if you would like to start making some money with this, you could do that. So you could post your personal portfolio of works that you have done, and you can also get customers. Once everything is finished and to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes, and after saving the changes, you can tap on preview to preview how it looks. So you can see right here, we now have the booking online page, and we also have the service page. Now to edit these pages, so let's say for example, you can see the service pages right here. So these are some sample services. To add your own services, you could tap on manage services after hovering over the section. Once you have tapped on manage services, you are going to be redirected to the Wix dashboard. On the Wix dashboard, you will be able to set up the different services that you want to offer. So let's say for example, you want to offer wedding photography, engagement photo shoot, and so on. You can see the different services right here, the different sample services. And if you would like to create a service that you don't see, you could simply tap on start from scratch and you can create your own service. But you can see the different sample services right here. To edit them, you could tap on edit, and from there you'll be able to set up your price for the different services. And as I was saying earlier, and you will be able to now start making some money. So you can set up the duration of the service by tapping on duration. Then by scrolling down, you can set your price right here. So let's say for example $100. Then you can tap on save. Another thing that you can also do, by going over to the left hand menu option, you will see the option booking calendar, and this is where you'll be able to view the different bookings that you have gotten. So by selecting booking calendar and selecting calendar right there, you will be able to view who has booked you and for what particular date. So this is how your booking calendar looks. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on the X to close out, then tap on save, then select publish in the top right hand corner. For example, if I were to tap on preview at the moment, you can see how our website looks right here. So this is our service page, and if I were to tap on portfolio, it would carry us to our portfolio page, as you can see right here. And if you were to tap on book online, you can see the different options. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.